Hey guys, welcome to Things I Learned. My name is Prakash, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to do basic layup. I want to apologize because I haven't been uploading videos for a while because I was busy with my personal life, so I'm really sorry about that. But from now onwards I'll try to post one video a week. And let's see how it goes. Okay. So today, as I said earlier, today in this video we're going to see how to do basic layups. Okay, so let's get started. So in layup, what happens is like layup is a form of shooting in which you approach the basket, you dribble and approach the basket, and when you are very close to the basket, what you do is you take 2 steps and then you release the ball onto the board and into the basket. Okay, so that's basically what layup is. Other form of shooting are just shooting from far, you know, like jump shot and 3-point shot and stuff. But this one this form of shooting is considered very basic and very easy one. Okay, so let's see how it's done. So you know, let's say in the game you're dribbling, and you know, before you do layup, you need to make sure that you are very close to the, not very close, but close to the basket, so that you can take that 2 step, and that way you reach the basket. Otherwise, you know, if you do 2 steps from there, then you won't reach the basket and you won't be able to make a score, right? So make sure you're close to the basket, and when you're close to the basket, take the last dribble, hold the ball tightly and very closely, you know, very close to your body, so that your defender doesn't steal it. And once you hold the ball tight after the last dribble, what you do is, you know, for now we're doing for a right-handed player, because I'm a right-handed player, and for left hand it's very similar, it's just legs are different. Okay, so for a right-hand player, what happens is after that last dribble, you know, what happens is first right leg, left leg, and release. Okay, so 1, 2, and release. And when you release, make sure your right leg with right hand comes up, moves up together, as if there is some sort of string attached. Okay, because that's the correct form, and that will help you, you know, balance and you know, make a nice shot. Okay, so let's see that again. So once you dribble the ball for the last time, you know, 1, 2, and release. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. One, 2, and release. And many players ask me, you know, like, what is the best spot to target? So if you see the board there, then you know the black square. So normally, you know, if you target on the top right corner of that square, then it's considered good. But if your defender is a bit taller, then you might have to hit above that that point, and that is basic layup. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then please click the like button. If you have any question or comment, then please write it in the comment box. And if you want to see more of these videos, then please subscribe. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Keep playing basketball.